Chef Elizabeth here, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thumbs up this video. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to buy an affordable outfit with just $100. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to all kinds of stores, well, affordable stores like Forever 21, Paxton, if they have them out here at the outlet. So if you guys are interested, come with me. Let's get this video started. So with Forever 21, what I'm here to buy is mainly t-shirts, probably a little bit of accessories because they're very affordable here, and some jeans. So we're upstairs where they usually have the casual fits, and downstairs is more of a dressy type of look. And for me, I like simple stuff. Okay, so watch your step. I like simple stuff. Simple stuff are like my go-to stuff. So we're gonna start on the t-shirt side. The main place if you want to buy affordable stuff is hit the sale rack. So we are at the men's section. If you know me, you know I like men's fits because these type of clothes for me are very comfortable. And my aim is actually for t-shirts. So we're gonna find men's shirts. So I'm gonna find about 3 of these in different colors and in different patterns. You guys can tell Forever 21 is not really, they don't really have like good qualities, but it's good enough for you to wear for school. So I'm gonna pick out whichever one I like, and you guys will see when we head back to the house. So today's video, if you guys saw in my previous clip before I got lit coming inside this room / studio, I was gonna do this $100 challenge for the things that you can buy for back to school. Sadly, I wasn't allowed to record in some of this video, these stores. Sadly, I wasn't allowed to record in some of these stores. I guess they're starting to be really strict about cameras in stores now. I don't know why. Huh? Je n'entends vous aider. Huh? Je suis en train de porter les gens pour venir ou acheter des choses, c'est que ils connaissaient pas que vous vendez. Mon français aussi c'est terrible. Huh, français ou le bagapé. Anyway, I tried to record in some of these stores to show you guys the stuff that I would pick out, but it went down the hills, and then I got hungry and wasn't feeling it anymore. Oui, je parle aussi français. Si tu parles français, comment ça va? Comment allez-vous? Okay, the challenge was $100. And I left the mall with 9 fits for $78.98. Sadly, I wasn't able to spend $100 because I couldn't find anything anymore, and I didn't want to force myself to buy something that I know I'm not going to wear. So I just bought the stuff that I wanted to buy and I know I'm going to wear. So if you like them, you like the styles, please thumbs up, subscribe. Make sure you leave me a comment down below. And child, it's hot in here. On commence. So, I know some of y'all like to see receipts, okay? The fact that I told you guys I spent $78 on all this right here, I'm going to show you guys what I spent, how much I spent in each of these stores. So we're going to start with New York & Company. A lot of people don't really, commencer. Don't start. Pardon. S'il vous plaît, pourquoi commencer? Okay, so for New York & Company, I bought some stuff from New York & Company. If you know me, you know that I love Gabrielle Union. Moi avec Gabi, on est comme ça. And she came out with the clothing line, and I purchased some outfits from her store the first day it launched. And I gotta say, she has some really good stuff. Normally I buy my Gabrielle Union stuff online, but if you are in a bigger city, I'm pretty sure they have the Gabrielle Union collection at the store. Now, I'm talking too much. Let me just show you guys what I got. For Gabrielle Union, I spent about $33.23. So the stuff that I got from your company was this beautiful pink blazer that you can wear for back to school. Listen, for my back to school, I don't just dress just to dress, huh? Je vais vous montrer comment tu peux saper sans flex. I'm going to show you guys how to look nice without you flexing, okay? Look nice in the budget. So I got this nice blazer. That's one. And then for my pants, but I wore these pants before, but I got these in black this time around, and they look like these. They look like you kind of cheated on yourself because they got that style in the middle. I call it my Parisien pantalon. parce que j'ai pas français, je suis aussi parisien. And for my H&M fits, for H&M, I spent about $24.67. And these are the stuff that I got from H&M. And this was from the boys section because I like sweaters from the boys section. I feel like they're a lot more comfortable than the girls section and they fit me a lot better. And remind you that back to school is going into the fall. So I didn't really focus on summer clothes. I focused more on my fall wear because you're going back to school and it's gonna be August, and August is gonna be, you know, September, then what? September, October. It gets pretty cold up here and I live up north. It gets cold pretty fast. And I got this blue hoodie from the boys section as well. And I got this nice flannel from the girls section for, which one was this? Well, you guys read the price, but I got this nice flannel that I'm gonna try out for you guys. And then I also got this nice blue dress fitted, not dress, but dress up. Chemise. Comment on dit ça en français ou en anglais? Nice dress up blouse, long sleeve, n'importe quoi. So next we are at Forever 21. Forever 21 for me is more like of a bootleg version of Zara because I'm hardly in Forever 21 now. I'm more in Zara than I am in Forever 21. But for this, I want to show you guys that you could also purchase really nice things at Forever 21. No disrespect, even though I just said it's like a bootleg version of Zara. No disrespect, Forever 21 is still cool. For Forever 21, I believe I lost my receipt for Forever 21. I don't know where it went. But I remember that I spent $21.27 at Forever 21. I believe it was around $21. Including this $4 sweater that I bought last minute. It's kind of like a short sleeve hoodie sweater. I got this at the boys clearance rack for my nice relaxed days in class. It's really nice. I got this for $4. And I bought about 4 different color shirts. Just a nice short sleeve shirt from the boys section. And they're all the same, just different colors. They're all for $4.90 each, and I got the maroon one. Is this maroon? Beige, maroon. If you know the color, you know what color this is. And I got the white tee. You cannot not have a closet without a white t-shirt. It's important to have a closet with a white t-shirt. I got this nice white t-shirt. Well, this nice v-neck t-shirt, this nice white v. I got the white t-shirt, and I got another t-shirt, the beige looking t-shirt for the same price, and they're also comfortable. And I got a black t-shirt. So to speed this up, I'm going to show you guys how I am going to wear these exact fits, how I can dress them up and also dress them down. So if you are interested, I know I talked a lot at the beginning of the video. This next one's gonna be quick, hein? Je vais vous montrer comment on peut saper son flex, hein? On saper son flex pour l'école. Ha! Ha! Ha!